We have learned how to use want to, たいです in the previous lesson. If you haven't watched this lesson yet, you can watch it first to learn how to use たいです. I'll leave the link to the lesson in the show more section below. たいです is an E adjective and it follows the usual conjugation for E adjective like this. To add the action to the phrase as in I want to eat, then you have to add the stem of the verb like this. 食べたいです。食べたいです。You do the same for the rest of the conjugation. So, don't want to eat is 食べたくないです。wanted to eat is 食べたかったです。didn't want to eat is 食べたくなかったです。Let's quickly review what stem is. To come up with the stem of the verb, you first have to think the verb in the mass form, and then drop the mass. This beginning part of the mass form is called stem of the verb, and that's what you need when you say you want to do something by using たいです. So if you want to say I want to do, now you have to put the stem of the verb do, which is し here, and go like this. したいです。したいです。Don't want to do is したくないです。wanted to do is したかったです。didn't want to do is したくなかったです。Okay, let's begin today's lecture. Today we are going to learn how to ask questions by using たいです as in What do you want to do? This is a sample lesson from my online course, Japanese 5 Adjective Master Course, and this sample lesson is a lot shorter than the lesson in the course. If you want to learn more about the online course, please check the description box below. I'll leave the link to the Japanese 5 website. We have already learned how to ask What do you want? 何が欲しいですか? Now, to ask What do you want to do? First, you have to put the stem of the verb do, which is し, and add たいです with the question particle か at the end. And then, you put the question word what, 何 with the particle が. Now it's complete. What do you want to do in Japanese is 何がしたいですか? 何がしたいですか? Just like we did with 欲しいです. If you want to specify the occasion, you can add it with the particle に. By the way, of course, you can use the particle を here instead of が. As I mentioned in the previous lesson, it is a matter of personal preference and it's up to you, okay? But let me use が here for now. Okay, let's try an example question. What do you want to do on your next day off? Next day off is 次の休み。次の休み。Or some people say 今度の休み。今度の休み。This one has a broader meaning. It can mean either next day off or this coming up day off, depending on the context. Let's use this one here. So if you want to ask your friends what they want to do on their next day off, you can go like this. 今度の休みに何がしたいですか? 今度の休みに何がしたいですか? These are some example responses to the question. I want to sleep a lot. たくさん寝たいです。たくさん寝たいです。 I want to go shopping. 買い物に行きたいです。買い物に行きたいです。I want to see my friends. 友達に会いたいです。友達に会いたいです。For those who don't know much about this particular verb, to say see someone, we say meet someone in Japanese. I is the stem of the verb meet, 会います。And when you meet somebody, you mark the person with the particle に, the destination marker, and then not the particle を. Because when you go to see somebody, your body will be moving towards that person. And if you want to respond, I don't want to do anything in particular. Can you figure out how to say that in Japanese? We have already learned how to say, I don't want anything in particular, right? Here you use the same sentence pattern to say, not anything in particular. Okay, this is how you phrase it. 特に何もしたくないです。特に何もしたくないです。特に何もしたくないです。I don't want to do anything in particular. Let's change the question. Can you answer this question? What is it asking you? 晩ご飯に何が食べたいですか？晩ご飯に何が食べたいですか？ Right. 晩ご飯 means dinner in Japanese. So here the question is asking you, what do you want to eat for dinner? If you want to respond, I want to eat pasta, then you say パスタを or パスタが食べたいです。パスタが食べたいです。If you want to say, I want to eat salad and pasta, then you say サラダとパスタが食べたいです。サラダとパスタが食べたいです。To say, I want to eat salad or pasta, then you say サラダかパスタが食べたいです。サラダかパスタが食べたいです。You can watch this lesson to review how to use the particle とやか. I'll leave the link to the lesson in the show more section below. And of course, to respond, I don't want to eat anything in particular. You say, 特に何も食べたくないです。特に何も食べたくないです。Okay, let me ask you the question. 今日晩ご飯に何が食べたいですか？今日晩ご飯に何が食べたいですか？ You can leave your own response in the comment section below. I teach Japanese through my online courses, and now I have hundreds of students studying with me from many different countries. My courses are all self-paced and designed in a manner that you can study Japanese when you have time. If you are interested, please check the Shoma section below for more information. ではまた次のレッスンで会いましょう。